Hey everyone, another month down. I can't believe it's already October. It's October 1st. This video will just be a quick recap of all my income related to options trading for September. Let's take a look here. I've kind of summarized it in a few different ways. I'm trying to break out how people can understand this, or maybe how much money I've made on each strategy and what's realized, what's unrealized. For September, the entire month, I've made $11,708. I'll say this is 98% US dollars and some Canadian, but I didn't do any currency exchange. I just kind of threw it all in there. So it might be 11,650, no big deal. So I am at 4,775 realized. That means these are options. These are trades that have closed. So I've earned this. There's no more liability or contingency related to these, or margin requirement, or cash secured. I have around 6,900 that is unrealized. These are kind of 60 days out. I'm still liable for them if they go south. So, you know, this might change in October if I have to manage them, but we'll see what happens. This realized does include losses and other gains and changes that I've had from August. So obviously they just kind of roll over. If we go down by strategy, I made 3,600 on verticals or credit spreads. You know how much I like doing these. I try to do a few a week. I did reduce my lot size from 50 to 25 to 15. I'm trying to go safer. 50 lots was just too risky. If another September 4th or March 2020 happens again, I'd probably be at a big loss. And I kind of want to avoid that scenario. Strangles, this is something new that I've been trying out in September. As you can see, AMD hasn't worked out. You know, I've been kind of losing a little bit on strangles, but a lot of these are unrealized. I'm doing 60 days to expiration. Did I include some information here? Yeah, so Twitter, I have 30 days to expiration, which is like mid-October, and then Bank of America, 60 days, which is mid-November. I'm obviously going to keep you guys updated on those. I'm trying to figure out more passive, like different and more passive ways of making income from options, and this is an intermediate strategy. I'll probably break down in a future video. Covered calls, I can consistently make around $650 every month. These are the easiest things to manage. I sell something far out of the money. They always expire worthless, and if they don't, I'd probably just roll them to the future. Cash secured puts, 7,373. This is my biggest money maker. It has been for every month, for a total of $11,708. I do want to compare this to August. So if we see covered call mid 600s, verticals 3,600. I do want to take a look here. So my covered calls, like I can always make around 600 every month. So a little more on the verticals, I took more risks. A little more on the cash secured puts, again, took more risk. This, I don't know how to do this. Like my return 5% a month. I'm using margin, like, so it's just deceiving. If we go all the way down here, 7.5%, I'm using margin. I don't know. Like this is all the cash I have, and this is the return I've made. So I don't know how else to show it, or if this even makes sense. What else do I want to go through? I've highlighted the ones in red. This last 10 days in September, I've lost a lot of money. Everything in red, I've kind of managed. I've closed at a loss. So here, my losses in September have been $5,500. I've been trying to manage them, obviously. So closed AMD strangle at a loss and opened another one for 387. So if we just look at the entire AMD strangle position, I'd only be making $99. But you know, you win some, you lose some. I'm still trying to learn on how to do this. I'm trying to go safer. So I'm going around the 10 delta for these strangles and a little further out, so I earn more theta. I made a video on these 5 verticals. It just didn't go my way, lost 1,200. I was pretty frustrated with myself. Where was a big one? So Spotify, I closed at a loss of 2,500. It's obviously, like, I rolled it. I didn't really lose money, but I did roll it. I initially sold a put for around $800. Maybe I can find that. Where is Spotify? So $840 ended up, it went sour. It went south very fast. Closed for 2,500, opened a new one further out, 2 weeks further out for another 2,600. I'm rolling down and out. I'd probably show another video on how to do that as well. So take a look. Everything the first half of September, there's no reds. Obviously, I closed them, but I'm not closing at a loss. But here, this is a loss, and then I guess I'm making bad decisions. I'm gonna have to take it a little easier going forward. I do want to let everyone know I'm probably going to be taking a step back from the live trading videos and the options trading. I'm going to be going back to an office full time starting October 13th. I obviously won't be able to trade in an office. I had a good 5-6 months when I was able to day trade every day. I expect my income to go down to maybe 4,000. This is what I was making previously before lockdown. And now, just because I'm able to manage more, I'm able to day trade, I have 3 screens over here, I'm able to make more money. I was able to make more money every month, actually. So if we go from June, this is what I can make working at an office consistently. So 3,700 to 6,500 to 8,500. Finally, this is my best month ever, 11,700. And then in October, November, December, it's going to go down. I'm going to be working in an office full time. I can't be day trading. I don't want to really lose my job or make people see that I'm trading at an office, earning a salary while making this side income. I just feel it's unfair. But what else? Let me go through this slowly from the top just so everyone can see my trades. You can pause the video if you want to see everything I've done. I've tried to include notes on what I've been doing. Look at this. Why did I do this? I bought a call. This is the first time. I never buy calls. This is the first time I did it. I lost money, expired worthless. What am I doing here? Why did I do this? That was funny. I'm slowly going through so you can see everything I've done for the month. And now I just want you guys to see more detailed breakdown of everything that happened in September. You can see here everything that's realized. Obviously this was closed. So you can see Bank of America, this was closed and I opened a new one. So there's nothing here because it's unrealized. It's rolled to the next month. I'm going to be changing this, the way this looks for October. I don't like the way it looks. I'm going to be taking away the Canadian strike and adding days to expiration. And instead of shares controlled, I'm just going to show contracts. I don't know why I did it this way. Like my mind works differently, I guess. So here's everything I had for cash secured puts. I have 149,000 cash secured puts. These are all my covered calls. And then here are my strangles. And you can see closing AMD at a gain. That worked out really well. Rolling AMD at a loss. Let's close this one out and I open the new one. So yeah, this is everything I have. And then here, October, I'm trying to change it up a little. I'm going to make it a lot prettier, hopefully makes more sense and more valuable for people. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to include a copy of this in the description that you can download. You can play around, you can do anything you want. You can see exactly what I've been doing. I've been monitoring every trade since June, so you can see everything I've been doing. I have a list of the stocks to watch. I do want to take a few away, like take Nikola away, take Zine away. I don't know why I've done that. And maybe Pinterest, I haven't been doing any of these. But I do want everyone to see what I've been doing. You can use a spreadsheet if you want. You can see all my mistakes, all my errors, everything I've made, everything I regret, some of my funny comments. But yeah, that's it for this video. No actual trading. Hopefully I can get you guys a trading video on Friday. I guess that's tomorrow. Maybe Friday or Saturday of me actual trading. I'm not doing any trading today. Just want a timely video of my monthly income, 11,700. That's all for today. Please continue watching. Please subscribe, like the videos. My growth has slowed down to a crawl. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, what's up with the algorithm, but hopefully I can get some thumbs up for the algorithm. Words are hard. Thanks, guys.